We cheer, then tap it down, then you drink.
You should wash my table when you're done.
That one
Really nice, Arma.
Hey. That's all you did.
Alright, round 2.
No, there's no round 2. It's a win's a win.
There's no round 2.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Who won?
I won, obviously. If you flip it up on your first chance, I'll challenge you again.
Right here?
Yep.
One try?
One try. Sorry about it.